Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit contact icon and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or simply we can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick to choose a photo from the gallery, and now we have to find the photo in the albums and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of the square and change the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. What's more, we can change the angle, we can rotate the picture, so it's up to you how you want to set it. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, tap on save. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to the contact. It will be also visible on our contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.